Okay, I'm going to take some more trades, and you can see live proof of what I'm doing. Okay, this is a GBP NZD 15-minute time frame. I'm going to smash some good old trades. All right, and there you go. You see I entered the trade is in the red line right here, so that's okay. You can tell, you know, I'm in the trade though. All right, so I'm in there, and that is for 87 pips. And I'll set the TP. That'll be right about there. Right about there. Okay, cool. So that's one of them. I'm going to go straight to them. Bing, bing. Bing, bing. Let's get the money. Let's get the money. Let's get the money. Alright, there we go. Bing, bing. Let's do another one. Trade number 3. Bing, bing. Now again, you don't have to get in this many trades. I'm just showing off. That's 38 pips, about 40 pippers. The market was doing some wicked, crazy things this week, but you still come back and get it. Get it. Get it. All right. Next one. This is just me or doing it. It seems like sometimes you take profit, your stop loss. They say it's a 1-to-1, but your stop loss look a whole lot closer to the price action than your take profit. It's like you got to go twice the distance. Oh, that's hilarious. All right, let's keep going. Let's keep going, baby. Again, you don't have to get in this many trades at once. I don't recommend it, but again, just trying to show a point. That's 92 there. That's good enough. All right, and did I get this view already? Nope. Okay, and let's get you. You'll be the last one. So this will be about 7 trades. Again, I don't recommend getting in this many, but I'm just proving a point with our trading system. All right, there you go. A lot of your best trades are going to come towards the middle or the end of the week. That's why they call it the midweek reversal. Okay, that's enough of them. I could find more, but I think that's good enough. I think you guys get the point. Ooh, look there. See what I'm saying? Ooh. 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 You see that? Oh, yeah. Did we get in that? Oh, that was on my... Oh, let me take this one, too. Get the money. Boom, boom. Get the money. 66 pippers. Just hit them all in one day. Ain't that crazy? You can wait one full day and just slap them around. Pow, pow, pow. Yeah, you should fall. This one shot up because of that news earlier this week. Let's check out gold. Okay, gold. When you buy our trading system, please come to class so I can teach you about this. Right now, this is not something I feel comfortable trading because of how choppy. I call it the cat scratcher. Look at how choppy and sloppy this is. See, it's choppy. Let me go back to what I'm looking at. All right, watch this. See how this one is smoothly going up and then it curves over and it's coming down. Okay, let's take a look at something else. This one. All right, same thing. Arrow comes in, it was smooth, went up. Now you have an arrow smooth coming back down. This is not what I'm looking for. See, choppy, boom, 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 boom. So gold is, I know, a lot of you guys trading favorite, but I always teach that you don't want to get into choppy and sloppy. So see how when the arrow came in and the candles are smooth and soft, you know, like a river flowing. You could tell the direction of the river where it was flowing, right? Flowing, 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 flowing. And then all of a sudden it stopped flowing smooth and it starts getting choppy. So once you see that your quote unquote favorite pair is beginning to be choppy and sloppy, then don't let it be your favorite pair. Choose something else or just patiently wait it out until it smooths and gives you clear direction of where it wants to go. These kind of consolidations or sideways markets is where indecision is taking place. And so on a higher time frame, you can clearly see it. So if you want to take it from the 1 hour, you can clearly see why I will always say, hey, check the higher time frames, which I already had done with the other pairs. That's why I'm just taking the trades in front of you. But on a higher time frame, it'll straighten out the story and you can still take it if you understand, okay, oh, I get it. See how this one was made this trend? This one is choppy, but higher time frame will clear things up so that you'll see what's going on. Okay. So always, always, always go to the higher time frames and get a clear picture of what's going on. Because if you just go straight to the lower time frames, this is what it's looking like. And you get complete distortion of what is actually going on. So the moment I go here to the higher time frame, oh, I see. Okay, here's your high peak. Here's your high of the week from the market maker's method. There's your high of the week right there. Boom. That means if I take this trade, my stop loss would have to be somewhere above this, in my opinion, because it tested here, retested it, and right here you see where this is where the high was. So people who put their stop loss directly on this high, the market came up and knocked you out just by a few pips. That's why you have to put it above. Anytime you put in stop losses, you have to put it several pips above. And if you have our system, you want to use these zones. These zones will be your friend. Put it above that area. And then when they came back and retested, pow, and knocked people out, you weren't knocked out because you were up here. And you will still be good to go. But anyway, I only took about 6 or 7 trades. So we will let them run and come back. Okay, they're ready. Get the money. Boom, boom. Get the money. And by the way, when you get the system, you want to purchase the Too Easy. Why? This is telling me that sellers are starting to come to the market. This is a very easy way. I know there's other strength meters out there, but we created our personal own, our personal strength meters so that it's easier for people to understand. Then once you see, okay, sellers are coming in, you line things up, and here we go. Arrow, red, 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 and there we go. Very simple to trade. Very, very simple. Color coded so that, oh, look at there. See, already in profit. Color coded and it's simple so that even your kids can see this. See, sellers are coming into the market. This tells me what I need to know first. Sellers are coming in, and then arrow, red, 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 below the red. See, simple. Simple stuff. Let's take a look at something else. All right, so now let me do something here. Alrighty, let's move you out the way a bit. And I'm going to click on this one here. And here we, oh, see, look at there. Woo! Now, how do we do this? All right, I'm going to drop this arrow here and take a look at this. See, it's telling me who's in charge. Buyers are coming into the market. Buyers. Then, green above the red. Green, 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 green. Just matching up colors. Nothing hard. No, nothing hard at all. Okay, same thing here. Buyers are coming in. Match up colors. Above the red, green, 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 green. Boom. There you go. There you go. Oh, look at there. Whoa. See, buyers coming in. Arrow came in. Line it up. And there you go. I'm trying to double click to move this line over. There we go. Alrighty. Right there. You're right there. Right there. See that? Above the red. Green, 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 green. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 confirmations. See? 7. That's how we do it. 7 confirmations. Okay. 7 confirmations. Let's look at one more. Whoa, look at there. 8 pips. Whoa. Whoa. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And if we use the zones, that's 8. 8 confirmation. Look at that. 10 pippers right in front of your eyes. Right in front of your eyes. Isn't that cool? Isn't that cool? Isn't that cool? See the green zone? We can add that one. So we have 1. The arrow is 2. Our algo trend line is 3. Green, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 confirmations. So we got this one again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Look at them just pouring in the profit. Here comes the money. So anyway, I'll pause it here. Here's the money. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 confirmations. Smooth as butter. All right. I'll pause it. Okay, so let's do a review and see where we are. So this is AUD. Oh, let's go back. Let's start from the A's. All right. As you can see, I'm up 50 pips on this trade. And that's the AUD Swiss. And then next, I was an AUD USD. Let's check that one. AUD USD, I'm up 32 pips. So that's 50, 32, Euro AUD. Let's check that one. See where we are. We're up 23 pips. All right. And then Euro NZD. I'm up 30 on that one. And they still have a ways to go, but I'm just checking them. All right. GBP AUD. Let's check that one. All right. I'm down by 15 pips. Negative 15. Okay, and then NZD, JPY, let's check that, 43 pips, all right. And then last but not least, GBP, NZD, GN. Where are you? The other one was GA, and now I'm checking GN, and that one is 9 pips, so I'm down by 9 pippers, negative 9. So on the GBPs, that means something happened where it did a pullback last night. That's what that means, basically. Because GBP AUD is down 15 pips and GBP NZD is down 9. So I'm going to pull up my handy dandy calculator onto the screen so we can calculate this stuff together. Okay. Undeniable proof. All right, so we said 50 pips. It's at 51, but 50 pips for AUD Swiss plus 32 pips for AUD USD plus 23 pips for Euro AUD plus 30 pips for Euro NZD minus 15 pips for GBP AUD plus 43 pips for NZD JPY minus 9 pips for GBP NZD. All right, that gives us a total pips of 154 pips. And if you divide that by 7 trades, that's about 22 pips each. All right, And I divided it because I'm in 7 trades. So I just took the round number, divided it by 7, and that's an average of 22 pips per trade that I took. Okay, that's about average. Now, keep in mind, it's not done, but I'm done recording. So it can easily produce more. It's at 53 pips on this one. But as you can see, it's still climbing. And the target is, let me get out of that. So 154 pips is where we are thus far. This one still got 47 more pips to go because I actually entered an extra position. As you can see, I added one more standard on this one. So we have 2 more on this one. But either way it goes, and I'll close this one out so we can get a proper count. I was just happy. I knew what was going on, so I had the extra standard. So this one has 47 pips, and it's currently at 30 pips. So I have another 17 on this one. And then on this one, it's almost hitting target. As you can clearly see, it's about to hit target. 40 pips, so another 3 pips, and that'll hit target. And then this one has quite a ways to go before it hit target, so we've got plenty of meat on the bone on this one, and that is 93 pips still to go, so we have another 60 pips on that one to run. Then on this one has plenty of room on it to run, 91 pips, and it's basically only at 40, so another 50 pips to run on that one. And then you have these here that has plenty of time. They just did a little boop, boop, little pullback, but then they'll continue on down. So excited about those. Those will bring in some nice potent load of pips when they start running into target. And NJ, let's go to the N. N is at 49 pips, and it's got 16 pips. All right, so basically 50 pips, so another 16 pips to run on that one. So again, just plenty of money available. So I'm gonna stop the recording and let these trades finish out because I think you guys get the gist of what's going on here. That simplicity is a freaking beast. Number 2, make sure that when you do buy the system that you come to class. Why? Because I teach classes twice a week because there's more to trading that you can learn so that you can really become a professional at it. Okay. All right. Thank you very much.